Hey, how's it going, buds? I'm Arthur Eby, and today I'm here at Make Salt Lake, and I'm going to be making some aluminum isopropoxide. So let's come over here to the apparatus. We got everything set up. Here's my little pot. I made some mercury chloride in there earlier with some mercury that I got from Cody's lab, and some nitric acid and some hydrochloric acid. I got some aluminum powder that I also got from Cody's lab. This aluminum is pretty oxidized though, and so this mercury chloride that I got in here is going to help break up the oxidated coat on the aluminum in here and help it combine with this isopropyl alcohol that I got. So the aluminum and the isopropyl alcohol will make aluminum isopropoxide. So let's add the aluminum powder. Let's add the isopropyl alcohol. Mix it around a bit. Put the lid on. Set it to reflux on low, and we'll set that to cook for a little while. While we're waiting for that to go, maybe we'll let it go for a couple hours, we'll talk about some of the uses of aluminum isopropoxide. It's an oxidizing agent. So essentially it just converts primary alcohols into aldehydes or secondary alcohols into ketones. And it can also do the reverse reaction, so converting ketones into secondary alcohols and so forth. But I'm going to try to use it for a specific purpose to convert cinnamyl alcohol into cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde, if you can't guess from the chemical name already, is essentially the active ingredient in cinnamon. It's what makes cinnamon taste and smell like what it smells like. So we'll let that go for a couple hours and see how it works, and then we'll try it out. All right, this thing is cooled for a little while, so let's go ahead and bring it in. Let's take a look at it. It's light. It looks like there's only a little bit left in there, and I don't know how much of that is actually isopropanol as opposed to aluminum isopropoxide, but we'll check it out. So I'm gonna take this little vial here. I got my cinnamyl alcohol that I'm gonna try to test. I'm gonna take a clean little pipette. I melted it. It's ordinarily solid at room temperature, but I melted it so it'd be liquid for us. Just take a tiny little bit. This is all you should ever use in chemistry, is just tiny little amounts of everything. And now, aluminum isopropoxide. Should only need a tiny bit. I'll stir this around a bit. And now that cinnamyl alcohol should be converted into cinnamaldehyde. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of extra isopropanol in there, I think. It's really hard to smell. But I can smell a little bit of cinnamaldehyde in there. I got a little bit of pure cinnamaldehyde that I ordered online, so I know what to compare it to. And I would say just the fact that it smells good enough to be cinnamaldehyde is proof enough that it actually worked. The aluminum isopropoxide did oxidize the primary alcohol on here into an aldehyde. But if you don't have an aromatic compound that you're dealing with, like cinnamaldehyde, for example, you would need to use something like the Tollens test or the Brady test. These are essentially chemical tests that tell you what is in the solution. It detects for aldehydes or any carbonyl, which is a carbon to oxygen double bond. And then there's things like the Lucas test, which detects alcohols in solution. So if you want to make cool stuff like this, go to meetup.com to find a makerspace near you. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. So thanks for watching, buds, and think about it.